Okay mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. Teka. Katatapos ko lang kasi nung isang content eh. Ito naman si Fernando. Si Fernando talaga yung number 1 kay Meraan sa TikTok eh. Diba? The best yan. Siya yung number 1 sa puso ni Sam Angela. Kasi nabigyan siya ng discount. Pero ang totoong nagbibigay ng discount si Taiga. PWD card holder yan eh. Anyway, seryoso yung topic natin pero kasi etong si Fernando kasi has evolved to become a character sa TikTok talaga na nakakatawa talaga siya. Like, kaso nga lang, I would implore or I would suggest kay Fernando na mag-ingat ka din dun sa mga sumasayaw ka sa public kasi baka madali ka ng alarming scandal dun, di ba? Kasi yung mga tao nananahimik tapos ikaw may gagawin kang something weird, okay? Baka may magreklamo sa'yo. It only takes one na magreklamo kay Fernando and then yun na, it's a slur talaga of legal trouble sa'yo, bro. Ano lang naman yun, inaano ko lang, I'm just saying, okay? So, pakinggan na natin siya.
Hi guys, sa mga Pilipino nga pala na binibig deal yung N-word dito sa Pinas. Wala namang masama yung pagsasabi ng N-word. Nasa inyo lang 'yon, sa mga mata nyo lang.
Okay. Meron, of course. Kaya merong masamang meron kasi siyang historical background bata na kailangan mong malaman kung bakit 'yon naging racial slur. Okay, kailangan mong alamin 'yon. Tapos kailangan mong alamin yung kultura ng pinaghihiraman mo. Okay? Kasi hindi naman sa atin yung word na 'yon eh. In the terms of the people na nag-aaral sa mga ganitong larangan, kinu-culturally appropriate mo yung salitang 'yon. Ang tanong ba, is your cultural appropriation correct? Ang sagot doon, it's never correct when it comes to the N-word. Kasi yung N-word na 'yon, may historical background 'yon na sa tingin ko ay hindi maa-appreciate ng black person na makikinig sa'yo. Baka sampigain ka, di ba? Mabigyan ka ng discount. Kaso sa hospital, di ba? So, wag mong sabihin yon, okay? O, tuloy natin.
Sa mga bibig nyo, para sa akin, walang masama ang pagsasabi ng N-word kasi wala namang masama doon, tsaka
walang masama sa N-word kasi walang masama doon. Parang sinabi mong may discount ka kasi binigyan ka ng discount. Parang sinabi mo na nagugutom ka kasi gutom ka. Parang sinabi mong hindi mo maisip kasi wala kang isip. Parang sinabi mo rin na hindi kaya hindi mo alam kasi hindi mo alam. Okay, tuloy natin.
wala naman tayong tinatapakang tao. So, yun lang.
Wala kang tinatapakan na tao. Sabi niya yon na, okay. Tol, hindi mo ba alam na kaya bawal yon? Kasi maraming inapakan na tao. The opposite is true. Kaka-TikTok mo yan eh. Biruin mo, 30 anyos ka na. Mukha ka ng 30 tol eh. Magte-30 anyos ka na. In a few years time. Hindi ka magtino. Pwede mo namang i-google. I-google mo, tanong mo, kahit Tagalog pa. Bakit bawal ang salitang N-word? Maraming lalabas doon. O, tapos kung hindi mo kaya ng English, pa-translate mo na lang. Gets mo? Kung hindi naman kayang i-google, pumunta sa YouTube. Kasi nasa YouTube naman yung sagot. Okay? So, kung meron kang isang oras, ito na yung mga reading material, watching materials Ayan na, hindi ka na magbabasa, manonood ka na lang, okay? So, ang una mong, ito yung papanoorin natin for today's video, pero panoorin nyo to, this is a BBC, yung origin ng N-word, tapos ito kay Lex Friedman, ito, yung guest niya dito si Randall Kennedy, isang Harvard professor, kung saan ine-explain nila yung historical background ng N-word. Kompletos recados na yan. Pero for today's video, since ang manonood nito, malamang sa malaman, ay yung mga nasa TikTok, bibigyan ko kayo ng discount. Hindi na isang oras, 11 minutes na lang, or 10. Ito na, sige. So, ito, This was taken 7 years ago. Ito kasing kay Lex last year to. So actually 1 year ago na. So ito yung papakinggan natin ha. Fernando ito binigyan na kita ng discount mabilis na lang to. Makinig.
What's the solution to that?
I don't think there is a solution other
Oh.
after instance of the way
Other ethnic groups, Chinese, Mormon,
in which this word has been used to hurt black people.
hasn't it also been used against other ethnic groups, Chinese,
Yan.
Mormons, Jews?
You know, it's the atomic bomb
Oh.
of racial slurs.
Oh, 'di ba? It's the atomic bomb of racial slurs. Kasi nga very popular yung word na yon, yung N-word na yon. So, pag kinabit mo siya sa isang race, it's automatic a slur, okay? 'Di ba? Well, ayoko na magbigay ng example, siya na lang. Gusto ko ma-monetize to dahil educational purposes ang aking lakad dito. Nagpapatawa lang ako kay Fernando pero this is mostly educational. I hope and I pray tuloy.
It is the racial slur that has been used in other contexts. So,
Yan,
for instance, you know, Palestinians, the niggers of the Middle East, the Irish, the niggers of Europe. This is a term that has been generalized around the world. If you want to put somebody down, analogize them to the nigger.
Given the power of this particular
Ayan,
word
ayan.
that we're
Given
discussing,
the power.
of it to wound, what is the solution to that?
Yeah.
I don't think there is a solution other than education.
Exactly. Kinarinig nyo yun? Paalam nyo kung bakit bawal at huwag nyong gayahin. Kasi ngayon ang kabataan, paastig masyado. Astig ako Sinabi ko yung N-word Akul ako Sabi ng mga pinapalamon pa rin ng magulang nila. Astig, di ba? N-word. Bawal yan. Ay, yung dahilan. Di ba? Nakaka-disappoint lang Hindi kasi contest yan kung sino yung pinaka-astig. Ang pag-contestan nyo kung paano kung paano maging edukadong tao. 'Di ba? Hindi yung maraming likes and followers tong si Fernando, pero yung minsan sinasabi niya hindi ka aya-aya. Okay? Tuloy.
People ought to know that even if you were using the word without malevolence,
Ayan, ito.
even
Ganda
if
nito.
you
Sobrang
are
ganda nito.
attempting to use the
Ikaw
word in
na.
an ironic way or as in a term of endearment, there's always the problem of mistake. So I've gotten hundreds of emails over the years from white kids who say the following. I'm riding around with my black friends and we're listening to rap. Is it okay if I say nigger because we're shouting the lyrics of these rap songs? And I say to people often, it may very well be that you're with your friend. It may very well be that you have no bad intentions. But if you're out in public,
Yun.
and especially if you're white and you use this word, there's the problem of the person who's right next to you who doesn't know you at all, who doesn't know
Makinig.
what your intentions are, who doesn't know about
Makinig.
your friendship with
Sakto,
your
di ba?
black buddy over
Kinikilabutan
here.
ako
But
sa
as soon as the
pagkasakto.
word nigger comes out of your mouth, this person slaps you, or worse. Simple prudence would dictate that you use this term
Sparingly.
very carefully, if ever.
Some of these younger
Kuha nyo? 'Di ba saktong-sakto, Fernando, wag mong gamitin sa public, hindi mo kinaastig 'yon. Kung kayo-kayo lang, walang nakakarinig, siguro term of tawanan lang, pero make sure yung mga kasama mo is mature enough to understand the language, the usage of the language. Kaya yung mga stand-up comedian, ginagawa nila yon kasi dati kasi wala namang YouTube Ngayon kasi medyo kalat na. So sila ginagamit pa rin nila yon kaso in a controlled environment. Gets nyo? Yun yung pinagkaiba, Fernando. So hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin kasi gusto mo lang, okay? Hindi yun ganon, okay? Usually it's in a controlled environment, educational setup. Parang ito, under educational tong video ko na to. Bakit? Kasi we are talking about the N-word. Very sensitive yan sa mga boss natin sa YouTube. So, kailangan natin mag-ingat. Okay? Gets nyo? Hopefully naintindihan nyo ha. Kaso, if you want more about information about the N-word, there is a lot of educational material dito sa YouTube na papanoorin nyo lang. Na sana bigyan nyo ng bigyan nyo ng oras para lang magets nyo. Kung may mga bata kayong pamangkin, kapatid na naririnig nyo, nagpapaastig at ginagamit yung N-word, explain nyo. Ito yung nangyari nung panahon nila and minarginalize yung isang community ng mga tao, dinihumanize sila, ginawa silang mga alipin just because of the color of their skin. And I would like to end this video with the quote that is my favorite. Lagi kong pinapaulit-ulit to. Ganito kasi ang buhay, Fernando. Let's hopefully magets mo that it is better to be judged by the content of your character than the color of your skin. Oh my God, binaliktad ko lang. O yun lang, hulaan mo kung sino nagsabi nun ha. Okay, gege mga lods, good night po sa lahat.